Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to properly turn off your Canon PIXMA TS5150. So first, you don't want to unplug it while it's still in the power. It can cause a lot of issues and it can cost you the entire printer. So I do not recommend plugging off the cable while it's still on. So what you guys want to do instead is basically go for the easiest solution, which is holding this button. So keep on holding it. Now let go of it and it will say ending and please wait momentarily. And as you guys can see, now it's safe to unplug and now you guys can basically put it in a box, prepare it to sell, or whatever you want to do with it. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.